Experience the power of the DEWALT DCK240C2 20V Lithium Drill Driver Impact Combo Kit with the DCF885 Impact Driver, featuring one 4-inch chuck and 1-inch bit tips. Illuminate your workspace with the 3 LED light ring on the Impact Driver, providing visibility for precise work with a 20-second delay. Unleash the high-performance motor of the DCD771 Drill Driver, delivering 300 unit watts out for efficient drilling tasks. Switch between 2 speeds effortlessly with the high-speed transmission of the Drill Driver for enhanced control and versatility. Compact and lightweight, both units are designed to tackle tight areas with ease, making your projects more manageable. Equip yourself with the DW1354 14-piece titanium drill bit set, featuring titanium pilot point for longer bit life and no spin shanks for stability. Enhance your drilling experience with the durable titanium drill bit set, ensuring precision and durability for various drilling applications. Upgrade your tool collection with the DEWALT Combo Kit and titanium drill bit set, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.